Hello and welcome back to the Cyber Hero. How is it going? Today in this video, we're going to discuss, we're going to learn here network hardening and some best practices. Today in this presentation, we will see some crucial processes that involve strengthening our network by identifying and reducing vulnerabilities, protecting devices, preventing potential attacks, and so on and so on. So without wasting more time, let's start. What is network hardening? Purpose of network hardening. Let's start by purpose. It increases security with strong defenses against unauthorized access. It increases security with the strong defenses against unauthorized access. Then process vulnerability reduction addresses potential weakness before they can exploit. Protection against cyber attacks. These are the main theories. Network hardening means, what does it mean? Making a network strong and secure, reducing weakness, and protecting device from attacks. These are the main three things which include which combine and made a term that's called network hardening. Now, what are the goals of the network hardening? Network hardening is an essential for establishing a secure environment, protecting service data, enhancing organization confidence. Right. Then what are the main goals? First one is protect sensitive data, block potential hackers, reduce vulnerabilities, increase monitoring capability. What does that mean? First we will say this. Protecting sensitivity data. What kind of data? Sensitivity. Passwords, communication data like maintaining and confidential and trust. Block potential hackers, implementing multiple layers of security. Reduce vulnerabilities. Identify and address weaknesses. Then moving to the next slide where we'll see simple network hardening setups. First one is implying firewall. We all are aware about this firewall. We have already discussed this, how it works. Then implementation of IDS IPS. I have also made a dedicated video on this. Then third term, using strong passwords. Adopt a long complex password to enhance security against unauthorized access. As so simple. Regular patching. Patching routers and switching help us monitor vulnerabilities and maintain a secure environment. Enable encryption protocol using VPN, HTTPS, and SSH protectors. We are discussing from this a lot. We are discussing from this previous video. I think 3-4 videos, SSH, secure protocol, and so on. I hope you are all aware of that. Now, moving on to the next slide where we'll see additional hardening measures. First one is disable unused ports. So simple, reducing personal entry point for attacks, so enhance security. We have to go to check our firewall, what are the open ports, unused ports, and we have to disable them. As so simple. If you don't know, no worries. If you want a video how to check these unused ports or used ports, please let me know in the comment section. I have also given a Telegram channel link where you can communicate with me, where we can discuss something on any issue, any doubts. So now network segmentation. Dividing the network into smaller parts help it contain breaches. Then secure Wi-Fi network. Use WPA2, WPA3 and strong password to prevent unauthorized access. So simple. Continuous monitoring using SIM tools help us manage oversight and early detection. Obviously, you cannot monitor always your Wi-Fi network or any network because you have to do other things. So that is why we use some tools which will generate alert on a suspicious activities. One tool is one of them. Block unauthorized devices. Methods like MAC filtering ensures only approved device connected. Mail filtering. Within few days, I think I will make a video on this MAC filtering. If you want it first, please let me know in the comment section. Now, what are the common weaknesses to avoid? First weakness we see default router password. How many times I am saying that if you are using default password, please change it. Changing these upon instance to enhance security. No firewall protection. If you have firewall, go for there, change its setting, make it more secure. Open Wi-Fi networks, public Wi-Fi's, free Wi-Fi's, avoid them. Secure wireless connections with strong authentication methods. Lack of monitoring, rigorous is essential to respond threats. Outdated software, keep software updated. And unpatched role. Now let's see network hardening practices. Network hardening is vital for securing the network and protecting data valuable data. How to do that? What are the practices? Use of firewalls, data encryption, strong passwords, IDSs, regular device updates, network segmentation, continuous monitoring. These are the some main practices which we can do, and we can make network more hardening. If you learned something new today, please then hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends as much as you can. It means a lot for me. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.